Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and I'm Loretta Sachua. And today's video I'm gonna show you how to make aquatic condensed toffee. Yes, so this is my ingredient that I'm gonna use. Okay, I have my milk here because of the sugaring. If you use just the condensed, you taste much sugary. Yes, so to reduce the sugaring I want to use milk. Yes, candia milk. Yes, and my condensed. This is it, my condensed. And I'll use a little of oil. Yes, I'll add some oil to it. So this is what we are going to do for today's video. So guys, after adding the condensed milk and oil together, now we need to stir it. Okay, yes, so if you want to condense toffee, it's simple and easy. Like making okra stew. You can practice this at home if you don't want to get any sweet for your kids. You can just make this one to lower the sugaring for your kids. Okay, so practice this. And if today is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment if you like this recipe. Okay, so it's very easy and quick way to practice at home for your children. Okay, this when I do, I'll give some to my friends. They really love it, and I too, I love it so much. You stir it that till it's done. That's the only stress way of making condensed toffee. Okay. Maybe someone will ask why you add oil to it. I decided to use what do you call this one? But why I add oil to it, not the stick, you know. After doing, maybe you can't able to pull it out, but adding the oil will let it be easy for you to pull it out. Because of that, I add some oil to it. Okay, but if you want to do and you don't want to add the oil, you can use lupac. I wanted to use lupac. You can add lupac or margarine. Yes. Oh, guys, I'm really tired of selling it. The most that what makes it difficult is styling. If not, the styling is quick and easier way. You see, but the styling make it so. Guys, I'm sweating. Oh, someone should come and help me to stay. I'm sweating. Oh my god. But it's almost done. Eh? Let's see how it has been now. You see? because of the oil that I add, you see, it's roaming and roaming and roaming and roaming. You see? Yes, so this it right now. So I want to put some oil here so that I'll break it out. Right now I want to add some little oil, you see. Getting dry too. So easy. It's very hot. Okay, so let me wash my hands so that we can add them. Yeah, but Chinese pencil. guys, right now I'm done. Yes, here is it. You see? So guys, I'm done. So I'm done with my condensed toffee, and it's yummy. As I told you, it's very easy. Just the stress is the stirring. After the stirring, it's easy and tasty that you should do for your children. So guys, you can practice this in your various homes or houses, okay? So enjoy this meal from Loretta.